Selamat pagi. Today is 16th of March and yeah, the Mistral has gone since last night and this is before 6 a.m. Just a few minutes before 6 a.m. and like there is no wind in the marina, but as soon as we see daylight or the sun comes out, and yeah, we'll go out and reclaim our sailing time that we lost for the last 2 days.
Mari berlayar.
Alright, so we're going. And since the sea is calm after 2 days of Mistral, like a lot of activities already happening, people going fishing or preparing their boat to go out, so we're not alone. Yes. So that's Chateau d'If. I'm sure I pronounced it wrong. That's the inspiration for the book Count of Monte Cristo. And this is Count Monte. So Monte in Monte Cristo's castle. Yeah, fort. It's prison actually. Hey, we're still motoring. Not much wind.
Yesterday was too much. And today, it's not enough.
Not enough. We're never satisfied.
This is the perfect time to try our mainsail that we're not familiar with.
Sunrise. We are motor sailing now because the wind is still not enough for sailing, and we are in autopilot because Buahat is enjoying his coffee now.
No dolphins yet.
No dolphins yet. Oh. So finally we're sailing completely, no motoring, but just a little of jib. Where is it? Little of jib and reef sail. But finally. The weather is nice. Meanwhile, Guwahati is taking sunside with his new sextet, courtesy from Mark Subkill. Thanks, Mark, for giving us the section.
That's what seasickness looks like.
Feeling sick right now.
Hang in there, boo.
I hope so.
I say you get over it. Take your seasickness medicine.
No.
Take ginger cookies, ginger candy.
So we made it finally. I was sick most of the time, and now when we arrived, suddenly my sickness all gone, and because it's so pretty, it just makes me happy. So we tied up to a mooring buoy here, mooring buoy, And look at the scenery here. So pretty. So this is a town called Kasi. Don't know the pronunciation is right or not again. But yeah, this is like a cove. And I guess during the summer it's gonna be more sailboats. So the town is that way. This is a cliff. You can walk. You can see that there are two people sunbathing there. They were also swimming before. So yeah, it's very pretty. And that was the opening, the channel to come here. And this place is part of a national park. So it's an MPA or Marine Protected Area. What?
All right.
Oh my goodness! So freaking cold! Oh my goodness!
Just give it a minute. You'll be all right.
Oh my goodness! Why did you do this to me?
It was your idea.
It's cold. Another Mediterranean swim. Oh.
You want the goggles? You want the goggles?
No, I don't bring goggles.
You can see it under the boat. I thought this thing had two rudders, but it's only got one in the middle. Don't get so far away you can't get back.